Did you hear the news about Australia? They just made a huge move that could impact many cryptocurrency holders. If you own XRP, HBAR, or XC, you'll want to stay tuned. This decision may change how these coins operate on the global stage. So, what exactly happened and why does it matter? Let's dive into it. Australia has recently taken a significant step in the world of cryptocurrency regulation. They've announced a new framework that affects various digital assets. This is important for two reasons. First, it can lead to more mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Second, it can influence market stability and investor confidence. Now, why should XRP, HBAR, and XC holders pay attention? Let's break it down one by one, starting with XRP. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has faced regulatory scrutiny in the United States. However, with positive regulatory moves like Australia's, XRP might find more acceptance globally. This could help Ripple in its ongoing legal battles and boost ZERP's market value. Now, let's talk about HBAR. Hedera Hash Graph, or HBAR, focuses on speed and scalability. Australia's regulations might encourage more companies to adopt blockchain technology. With more use cases, demand for HBAR could rise, benefiting its holders. Moving on to XC Network aims to improve supply chain finance using blockchain. With the new framework, companies might be more open to integrating solutions like XC. This could lead to an increase in partnerships and real-world applications. But that's not all. Australia's move signals a broader trend toward clearer regulations worldwide. Countries are starting to recognize that crypto isn't going away. In fact, many are looking for ways to regulate rather than ban it. This could create a ripple effect in other nations. When countries see positive steps, they may follow suit. That means more legitimacy for cryptocurrencies overall. Let's discuss what this means for investors. With regulations in place, the fear of crackdowns lessens. This can attract new investors, which means more capital flowing into the market. This is definitely good news for existing holders. If people feel safer about investing, they are more likely to buy in. There might be a slight learning curve involved in navigating these regulations. However, it's a small price to pay for increased market confidence. So what can you do right now? Keep an eye on news from Australia and other countries. Stay updated on how these regulatory changes might affect your investments. Join forums or social media groups focused on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Engage with other holders to share insights and strategies. And of course, do your own research. It's important to understand the impacts of regulations on your holdings. Australia may lead the way, but your proactive approach is crucial. In conclusion, Australia has made a move that could reshape the future for cryptocurrencies. If you're holding XRP, HBAR, or XC, now is the time to stay informed and engaged. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with others who might benefit from this information.